March Farms again. We got our 99 Wrangler up on the rack. Get you to break our plasma cutter out and do a little frame sectioning. We've got some repair kits to install. This frame is pretty rusty. I showed you in some previous pictures and videos just how bad the rust was. Anyway, just a little introduction, and we'll get back to you shortly after we get the sections cut out. Thank you. Well, we had bits and pieces, and it was way worse than I thought it was, but we've got it cut out roughly. And keep in mind the cap will cover all of this, so we got to do a little cleanup. When we get that done, I'll bring you back. Alright, we've got the first part of the kit installed. This is where your A-arms connect, and welded up. Frame was a little rough, but we're getting there. So next part's going to be the spring bucket. We'll get that cut and out of our way. I'll show you the remnants when we get that done, and then I'll show you again when we get the bucket. Prepped and ready for the spring perch. Had to notch it out. The perch had rotted right at the base of the spring perch itself. Alright, I'll come back when I get her tacked up and placed. Alright, well, we've got that part of the frame repaired, the spring mount, top one done. We discovered that the lower spring perch has got a problem too, as you can see. So we're going to make some pieces and repair that while we're here. And then after we get this part done, we're going to tackle that frame rail. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a little while. Alright folks, a total of 6 hours later, we made us a new spring perch, and we've got it all welded up. Just a quick coat of paint on it to keep it from surface rusting. We're going to call it a day today. I'll bring you back on the next one, next series. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.